Learn the difference between so and to in English. And yes, there is a difference. What a lot of people forget is that to is normally used for negative situations because it means it's excessive. If I tell you that the party is too busy and there are too many people, then I'm saying that it's an excessive number of people and I'm not happy about it. However, if I use the word so, you don't know if my opinion is positive or negative. So is just emphasis. I can say there are so many people, I can say the party is so busy, but you don't know if I'm happy or sad about it, but you do know that I'm making an extra emphasis. Look how quickly you've improved your English. To continue improving, please subscribe to this channel for more videos and get more resources at my website talktips.tv. It's important to continue expanding your skills with English. Take care.